What's up, y'all? We're back in the van. Today I'm prepping for putting in the insulation. I'm going to be using this XPS closed cell foam board, and I'm just putting down the framework, and I'm making a center little console for storage and for my dog to sit when we ride. He's a little wiener dog. And I'm going to be putting the foam board in between, all right here in the front. I've already started mapping it out a little bit. I need to cut it and do that side. This is what I got so far. I got the middle part done, piece up there. I just got to do this side. I got the foam all laid out how I want it. Next, I'm going to be gluing it down. I'll be using this Gorilla heavy duty construction adhesive. Heard it's the best, it sets fast. I'm going to fill these gaps like this first, and then I'm going to do the whole back side of the board, and then it says to put pressure on it for about 30 seconds and it should be good. Alright, so this is everything glued in. I'm going to take this other seat out and get the carpet on. So here's the old carpet. I'm going to be tracing it on the new. I'm going to leave a little extra because I made it a little longer, so I'm going to get to tracing that out. So I cut all the holes for the seat. Got some of the siding back on over there as well. Finish it up tomorrow. Got the carpet and the seats in. Pretty good. So I'm going to start on this section next in the next video. Peace out.